Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are doing Flee from the Factility. So, if you're wondering, Zach, where are you right now? This is not the main lobby. So, this is just like under the main lobby. Wrong button. So, it's like a little secret passage. Oh, someone just escaped. So, going to get out of here, out of this crazy place, because it is game over. So, we're going to go back into it. So, how this game works is like there's all these like computers you have to find, and you have to hack them, and like how should I say? How well, kind of like code them, and then if you get enough, you can actually like find an exit, like it said, like in the green that someone like got out, so you have to get an exit. So, oh, this is new. Ooh, let's do abandon factility. So the factility. Oh, and then there's like so many. Whoa, VIP. Wow. Please don't be the. I don't want to be the beast. So like, if you get caught, you can be put into the cell. And like you can be frozen, and like your health goes down, but like the other people can save you. But yeah, flip. I'm the beast. So yeah, I'm gonna be the runner. So like I'm gonna be running around with a hammer and like a, see, like right here, it's gonna be my heart. So how this? Oh, dang! I can only be in first player. Oh, so you see over there, like the X. Come on, come on, come on! Open. Let's go. Oh, dang! I can't. See, I can't crouch. Done. Dun 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 dun. Dang it! Okay, slowed me down a lot. Let's go in here. Hi. 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 Dang it! The door. Where's the door? There it is. Come on, open. Come on. Someone attacking that upstairs. Oh, there's another one right there. Just saying, I've only played this like once in my lifetime. So this is so flippin' laggy. Ooh, computer in here. I think there's more computers like you can hack, but I think you just need at least 4. Hey dude, hey dude, hey dude. Oh, dang it! I do have like this speed thing I can use. Oh, come on! That was a hit. That was a hit. Let's just. Oh, how do I get up there? Here, I bet these are the stairs. It's just. Oh, is this like a trash area? Let me up. Let me up! Oh, dang it, I jumped. Alright. Okay, this sucks. Let's just get out of here. I'm not just saying this video might be like probably like the worst out of like Flee from the Factility, because like not really that good. Come on. Probably gonna only catch like one person. Oh, dang it, there's only 3 computers left. How do I get upstairs? Probably have to go back to that like normal room. Like in here. There's probably. I hit Q. Hi. Oh, come on. Dang it. No, not this glitch. Aw. Get up. Can't move. Dang it. I'm holding Q. Oh, the runner thing doesn't work. Oh, it's probably just a glitch. Dang it. Come here. The beast is hungry. Oh, dang it. See what I'm saying? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna find an exit. I'm gonna troll him. And just like, oh, hi. Why can't I move? Dang it. See, that one was stairs. Hi. How'd you get all the... This game is annoying. Oh, I told you. Dang it! What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to that exit. I don't care. Nah. I saw him. I'm gonna wait here. Going to the other one. I'm gonna do. Oh, dang it! They're going through that door. Oh no. See what I'm saying? I'm like the worst beast. See, like, I can't even move over here. Come on. Oh, dang it. Came over. It's the exit literally right. Oh my gosh. It's literally right there. I'm gonna do one more round, guys, and yeah. I did not like that round. So guys, hopefully you slap that bell onto this channel, and don't forget to go subscribe to my friend Jake Guy. Let's do the original. Wait. Abandoned prison. I want the abandoned prison. That's gonna be awesome. So, yeah, there's like a little mini game in there. You can go parkour up there. Might as well just do a little parkour. I want to do a little. I haven't done actually some parkour. Oh, I haven't done actually some parkour in a while. I'm gonna YOLO this. Oh yeah. Oh. Onto the house. I should have gone in the house. Yes. Okay. Oh, this is sick. Oh, I've done this map before. Oh, it's so cool. I gotta find a computer. It's gotta be a computer. It's close. There's gotta be a computer in there. Here. Literally right there. Oh, six. Come on, there's no. Come on. Oh, is there a computer in there? There's no computer. Yes, computer. Oh no. I should save him. Oh, I'm gonna save him. We need help. Come on, Zach. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Oh, come on, come on. Open the door. No, no, no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, dang it! No, we're all captured. Aww. Oh no. You know what I'm gonna do? No! He was so close. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Let go of me. I'm going to get ready to run, 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 run. Why does this keep happening to me? Me! It's always... Come on, please help me. Look, I'm like jogging. Anyone gonna help me? Anyone? Anyone? I'm waiting. Waiting. Anyone? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Transformation's halfway. Oh god. Should I be like goat first? Like quickly. Come on, save me. Look at her. She's just like no. I'm all alone. No. No, 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 no. No, no. Dang it. Oh, someone's captured. Run, dude. Run, 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 run. Oh, stick printer going. Guys, I think that's gonna wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. Hopefully you guys play this also. Don't forget to friend me. And hopefully you guys are having a great day. Bye.